Secrets long buried come to light as the pages of the journal whisper of the Phoenix Stone's elusive nature. The map's intricate markings beckon, promising hidden truths and perilous paths to those who can decipher its ancient language. Three unlikely companions united by fate, embarking on a quest that will test their courage and beliefs to the core. Shadows of the past loom large as they tread where civilizations long forgotten once thrived, each step echoing whispers of history's mysteries. Every choice made carries weight as danger lurks in every corner, threatening to unravel their resolve and unity. The past and present collide as ancient riddles demand to be solved, with each answer bringing them closer to their ultimate goal. High above the clouds, a moment of clarity dawns, revealing the magnitude of their journey and the sacrifices that lie ahead. Power pulses through the air as the Phoenix Stone's allure threatens to consume all who seek its ancient magic, a choice looming on the horizon. Loyalties tested, truths laid bare, as destiny hurtles towards a collision that will shape the fate of worlds, each heartbeat a step closer to the edge. The echoes of their choices reverberate through time, leaving scars and revelations in their wake, a new dawn on the horizon.